Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Come and join me in making this dessert without oven. First we assemble the cookies like this. So it looks like this. No? Only the walls of the baking pan are covered with biscuits. In a mixing bowl, get some cookies and crush them. Leave some cookies to be put on top of the dessert later.
And now we are going to prepare this mixture. First, milk. And then we add sugar, cornstarch,
Cocoa powder. Mix all the ingredients. Cook the mixture. So keep on stirring. Add butter and let it melt. Now it's time to turn off the heat. The mixture is not too liquid nor too dense. Pour on the cookies and mix them. Then transfer it on the baking pan. Be sure not to disarrange the biscuits. Press down the mixture to fill the empty spaces. Cover the top with the rest of the cookies. Cover the top with plastic wrap and let it cool down. Then place it in the fridge and let it stay there for about 1 hour. Now let's prepare the chocolate spread. In a small pot, pour milk, add butter, and also pieces of chocolate. Then let's use bain-marie to melt the butter and also the pieces of chocolate. Just keep on stirring. While the chocolate spread is still hot, let's pour it on top of the molded dessert, and we make sure that all the walls of the dessert are covered with chocolate spread. To complete the dessert, let's sprinkle minced almonds on top of the dessert and also on all sides of it. Then let it stay in the fridge for about 1 to 2 hours. It's the moment of truth. Let's see. Here it is. You can see bits of biscuits and also the chocolate pudding mixed with biscuits. It's tasting time. Oh, it's soft. Tastes like ice cream. Try it on a Sunday. It's so easy to prepare. Thanks for watching.